What a fucking day already has been, bruh. Not even gonna talk why, but let's just focus. Let's just focus on if we have a trade today. It's hard, but I'm maybe gonna talk about it like later on. Let's just lock in, okay? Let's take a breather. Let's forget what happened. Oh, it's hard for me not to laugh at this moment, but we're gonna go over it later on. Let's see. Um, let's see Euro. I would still say we're pretty much chilling on lower prices though. I would still say we're chilling on lower prices. We have this hourly, but it doesn't really mean much. We have hourly AVG here, just holding it lower. It looks good, but we don't really have draw. Would target probably at most this AVG at the bottom here. Probably most this, but look at how Asian highs are respecting, which is pretty crazy, right? Look at this shit. This 50 minutes is open. I would like this actually. Like if we manage to come sweep these highs, tap this 15 AVG, I would look at some shorts like short term. These are decent. Let's see GU. GU is weaker. GU is weaker than Euro. It is weaker, but it also retraces more deeply, right? We're gonna see. I have this 4 hour at the bottom, which I would expect draw, but it doesn't necessarily have to be it though. Like this failure was really strong here, and we do have this 4 hour AVG that we have respected. I just don't know. Yeah, we gotta wait for this shit to get inversed. Otherwise, we are likely continuing bullish unless this gets inversed. So if this gets inversed, I'm down to be targeting lower. Yeah, it doesn't look that great. AU looks more bullish. It's the strongest pair, so it looks more bullish. But we do have this in our way right there. I mean, on AU, I would be more down than the rest of the pairs to be drawn higher. Look at this shit. We have Sunset Raid right there. I don't know if we have this 50 minute. I don't think we did, but we have an hourly AVG. Yeah, this looks pretty strong. I just don't know. We also inversing this. I would draw very temporarily to Asian highs here. We inverse this. Yeah, we're pretty much clear on retest in this though. We gonna see. I am pretty down. I do like AU on some bullish cases. It's the weaker pair, the stronger pair, my bad. And we have inverse. Look at this. Sell side raid, inversion, market structure shift. Yo, bro, what's up, 6? We're gonna see. This doesn't look bad. This is like a 22 model, but on the 15 minute, which is kind of crazy though. We're gonna see. Let's check DAX. DAX is overextended like hella. Ooh, look at this shit, bro. These equalos are waiting. God damn. These are just waiting to get taken here. Unmitigated AVG. Hell yeah, this is a very good draw. But we haven't taken this high. Or have we? We did. So, what's good, bro? I do like drone lower here. I do like this shit. This looks good. NFP is good. Good. What do you mean? Good. Postponed? Oh, postponed. Why? I don't know. I have no idea. It's inversed. Look in here. Oh, I like this. I like this shit right there. Why would it be postponed though? I would be down looking at sells, but we don't really have much confluence yet to be looking at shorts here. Yeah, and I wouldn't prefer. Yeah, it's not yet developed. Okay. Ooh, this looks like in terms of intraday. Ah, because of the shutdown. Okay, that makes a bit of sense. Looks like a really good trending Asia though, but yeah, we're drawn into an hourly. It's just too risky because we're drawn into this bearish thing. If we inverse, ooh, if we inverse, we might have a more decent idea. We're gonna see. It looks good as an intraday model to be looking bullish, but yeah, no real bullish cases. Also, this looks good, bro. But yeah, look at this. U.S. government got shut down. Yeah. Tentative. Yeah, probably is gonna happen, which is good though. To be honest, for me, it's better like this because that means I can trade. I wouldn't have traded close NFP anyways. I would trade London, yeah, but other than that, not really. I like this right there. This is good, but we're probably gonna be sweeping this high once again. I feel like it's too close, but if we inverse, yeah, I really like these equal lows residing right there. AU decent. So AU and DAX I'm kind of looking at. I don't think Euro's a good idea. Let's see. Let me check because I didn't look at economical calendar. Yeah, it's tentative. All these are tentative, which last time they disappeared. Like yesterday, unemployment claims disappeared. You have PMI. PMI are nice news. I like PMI. I like to trade around PMI. Let's see this shit. I mean, the thing is, it looks very good this area. Do we have draw lower? We don't really have draw lower. That's the only iffy part about this. And yeah, G looks more bullish. UK undeveloped, UJ undeveloped still. So probably like this. Yeah. DAX and AUD preferably DAX, but I'm probably gonna sweep again. Okay, so now I was just looking at what to trade. Let's see. I want to see AU intraday. Yeah, this looks like a very healthy range to try and play. It looks good. It looks like, yeah, it's just a textbook model. Like we just look for the sweep, even though, yeah, we're a bit bearish. That's the only part. But look at this. Even if we're bearish, we have rated sell side. We have tapped this wick, and we have inversed. So if we hold this inversion and break higher, means we're reaching up lower. This is the last point of defense until this 4 hour. Oh yeah, this 4 hour is actually acting very good as a draw. Yes sir, this is decent, but yeah, slightly riskier, I would say. Slightly riskier. We're gonna see. But until this, it's pretty much clear that we're gonna finish that shit. Yes sir. I'm gonna go smoke a ciggy. I just prepared. I'm sorry if yeah. Whatever I'm saying sorry for, but you should check the Discord, bro. There was some funny shit happening, bro. I couldn't keep myself together. I laughed so hard this morning. It was the perfect start for the morning. I laughed so hard, bro, this morning. It was absolutely crazy, bro. Some people are unique. I'm just saying that. Some people are definitely unique. What the fuck is that shit? 1 second. Oh, the fuck? Let's see. I like this already. We sweep that low, but it's like I'll check. Yeah, it's bad, but I don't mind it, to be honest. Um, what would I want to see here? The thing is, we do have this inversion, so I don't know if I want to really trade this. The thing is, we're going against trend, and it's a very risky play that I don't know I want to take part of, and we're already kind of in high resistance. So I don't know if I'm really willing to really make this risk, in a sense. To take this risk, I would want to see like, even with the strong close we already have like bearish AVGs. I don't know if I want to take this. Bullish trade, I don't know. I see Geo being a bit bullish, but not yet. Like, maybe after we sweep this, and even with that sweep, it's not yet fully confirmed that we're gonna be bearish. So yeah, not looking at. Oh, look at this, it's a good inspection here we're getting, but I don't know if I really want to take this though. The thing is, we have draw, which is that 4 hour, but it's still a risky play. It's risky of the sort of block, and I don't know if I want to take place in this risky play. And how this range kind of set up, it's already pre-invalid to trade it, so I'm probably gonna wait for DAX. If maybe we sweep, like if we sweep this shit, yeah, it's gonna be good. We have this inversion that we look like we are holding higher, which this is also a good idea to be looking at buys, but the only way I would really look at this shit is, I don't know, if we get a retracement. I would be down buying again because we barely took that high, and then we should reverse. So I'm gonna watch DAX, but it has to be something really clear, and it's very risky because of these Asian lows not being taken, but we're gonna see. AU, I prefer not trading it. It's just too risky, so I'm not gonna force a trade now. Hell no. Even though I know it's likely to reach higher, it's just context is really iffy on looking at buys here. Even with the sell side sweep, it's just on buy side liquidity rate, it's a retracement trade, and we're anticipating a retracement into deep premium, which is so fucking risky. We already reached equilibrium prices. It's a very risky play that I prefer not doing, really. And even DAX is a risky play. Yeah, they're both very risky, so I prefer not really doing them at all. Yeah, even this stronger, yeah, it's just a lot of. I'm gonna watch Euro. Like, if we sweep this buy side liquidity, this is a very good POI, and here we're actually trading with a trend. But still, there are a lot of risky plays that as I said, I'm not sure I want to take necessarily. I mean, DAX would probably just hold higher off here. Then it would be good, actually. I would prefer being patient on the shorts, because we have these lows here just waiting to get fucking taken. What's your age? 23, bro. How about you? Are you the guy? Are you Rex from Discord? Ooh, yeah, this looks good. Yeah, it looks good, but really, I mean, it kind of did exactly what I wanted to, which was getting the sweep here, but risky as fuck. Too risky, actually. Even with this, like, imagine doing this, targeting Asian highs. It's the 1 to 12. Yeah, I'm not doing it. It's too risky. Not gonna force no. Nice, bro. Nice. Our mentor. Yeah, too risky, sadly. Too risky, and this is probably better on waiting for that high to get taken. I mean, Asian lows are kind of irrelevant anyways here. This is the true Asian low. Interesting PA, but I wouldn't say something worth trading in. Definitely, we can do a demo. I would do a demo at most here. I would do a demo. Not even demo, bro. Look, it's fucking rejecting that gap. Yeah, not even a demo. Maybe, yeah, we should do it like a market, just for funsies. Stop loss can be actually below this inversion, and we can do this shit. It's a very risky play. I like that the market is starting to to kind of try and give back setups and try and give setups. That's what I like to see. Like this past weeks, it hasn't even been trying. It hasn't been showing any even potential setups. It's just been iffy. Like even this being a potential setup, I'm happy, right? Because I see the market trying to print like how it should be again, but still very iffy to be buying here. Even without that 5-minute inverse, we're buying into this. Yeah, it's risky. For a demo, of course, even for a demo, it's risky. And yeah, look at DAX. It's definitely gonna hold higher though. It's definitely gonna hold into these highs. I don't know what I want to see exactly here to be trading lower. And UK also kind of bullish, kind of how I said though. We did kind of, yes. Let's see. Oh, never mind. That's weird. This is I would say bullish overall. Even we look like we being bullish. Weird. Definitely weird PA. A bit weird. Basically like very iffy setups like B, C, even like B tier, C tier. Very iffy setups. So I'm only trading A plus, that's for sure. Only be trading A plus. If an A plus setup shows, yeah, that's fine. You were not doing shit, bro. But this, like this FVG here, just looks so fucking wickable. I would be down to again just try a stuff out and do like a fucking demo here, just like a limit, just to try my idea out. But it might get wicked into that, or the block. This looks like a very good area. That would be like a top tick, in a sense. If we even reach that. This is my very good idea though here. I mean, this is not even like a very valid zone. This is my idea here. If we inverse this shit, I'm looking at this. That's my idea, but we're gonna take a bit of time on reaching that. We're gonna see. Yeah, AU's probably gonna print. It's just extremely risky. Even without seeing this 5-minute inverse, it's extremely fucking risky. Even with this, it's like a 1 hour, not even a 1 hour. Not even a 1 hour, but yeah. It's just iffy. But this was nice. The sell side was one of the steps I wanted to. Sadly, the range just printed bad. The range, for me to take this, I wouldn't want to see this inversion. This is weird. Look how we're holding this 1 minute gap. DAX is nice as a pair, but look at this shit though, gang. Look at this shit, ganger. Let me play some Lo-fi. It would be nice for today to not have an FP. That would be fucking perfect, actually. So we can trade New York. Even yesterday, London was very shit, but New York had 2 really good setups. I almost caught this, right? We had this crazy fucking short. I deleted my order, but basically on this, I was waiting on Geo. I was waiting on a retest here and then trade lower, but we didn't get that shit. And look, look how much we fucking melted off that shit, bro. Like goddamn, like 10R, just crazy. And AUD the same. We just had I had the idea right. It just fucking ifed it. Here I wanted to see these highs get taken before taking the trade. It didn't take those highs, and we just left off this inversion, and we just fucking. But at least I had the idea right. And also I got missed on UK. I had an idea as well here to target this low. But I wanted to see a retest of this big ass gap. We didn't get no retest, and it just printed without a retest. So kind of sad, but it is what it is. At least I'm seeing setups get printed. That's what makes me happy. At least I'm seeing setups get printed, even though I'm not taking them, or I didn't get caught in them. But yeah. Let's see, OG. What is this shit doing, bro? Let's see what pairs do we have more. USD CAD UK. Yeah, UK, we already looked at UK. Nasdaq, what did Nasdaq do yesterday? Just fucking melted. What is this shit? Just straight out melt of market open. Oh my god. Yeah, just straight out fucking melt of market open. And then yeah, was this a retracement trade? Or sometimes he kind of retracement trades on Nasdaq, but not that great though. Not that great. What is the difference between Nasdaq and US 100? Isn't US 100 the same as fucking Nasdaq, or am I tripping? I have no idea what the difference is though. Isn't it the same fucking thing? Isn't it the same thing? That's weird. This is definitely gonna be our top tier idea for London. I mean, DAX can easily melt. DAX melts easily. It's not a problem to get this idea in London. It's definitely not a problem. He can do it. And this is very nice draw. Very nice draw, bro. This is so fucking clear, bro, for price. This was where Benzi took a trade. I mean, not took a trade, but saw a trade yesterday with that. No, but it didn't rate sell side. This trade was actually pretty fucking clean. Like, this is how he took it on DAX. So that sell side rate, this sell side rate didn't get rated, but we did inverse this 5 minute, and on the retest of the 5 minute, he took an entry to target the highs. The highs didn't get reached, not in like the session, but it's still a clean trade. The sponsor, look at this initial inverse here. It didn't spot this, but initial inverse, initial gap, support the move higher to break the last point of defense, and on the retest of the last point of defense, we pursue higher prices towards New York high. So it was pretty decent actually. Yeah, it looks like we're flipping bearish here. We failed to kind of have strength of that bullish AVG here, which is interesting. It's gonna take liquidity, then you can try a bullish trade from last AVG on one pair GBP USD. Oh yeah, I do like this sell side to try a bullish trade, but I wouldn't try it not in this big ass bearish momentum, bro. I'm not gonna try that shit. But look at this, even the hourly looks so well respected here. I wouldn't try being bullish, definitely not here. I don't have draw, I don't have a high quality trade, so I'm not gonna try it. But this AVG does look good to potentially build that like higher low and start building higher off here and start going higher, but I wouldn't take it. Not how I trade. But yeah, I do see it happening. GBP AUD, I don't know, I don't trade this. For me, this is a shit pair. Yeah, no gangs. I don't know gangs about this. It kind of looks bearish for me. It does look bearish for me. It's too strong of a rebalance, and we hold this. Yeah, it does look bearish. Even with this, it looks bearish to me. We're bearish for the flow. Why would I try buys here? I don't see a reason to be trying buys. Look at the wick that we had in this 4-hour inverse. Yeah, this is bearish for me. Even with this hourly, it doesn't mean shit. Yeah, this looks bearish for me. We're gonna see what it do, but yeah, still bearish in my eyes at least. Yeah, see, we should hold this lower and we should inverse. If we inverse, yeah, the inverse is pretty far away, but it's all good. I really like these lows here. I'm just waiting on that. Apparently A was still kind of struggling to break. It's a bit weird, but it might break. I mean, just how I see the market, bro. You want me to explain why? But it was hard time frame, bro. We are bearish. Don't you see this shit? Like lower low, like look, not even look at this. Look at this, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher lower high. My bad. And what do we do now? Lower low. This is bearish. Why would you buy here? I mean, that's what I see. Like, I see bearish order flow. Even if you look at, let's say hourly, I just see us printing lower. It's just a trend lower. Why would I try and predict? I don't know. And even on daily, this is my area of where I would expect being bullish, right? This is my area. Even on weekly, it's still my area where I would expect to be bullish. For now, we're bearish. We did take this high. We should retrace towards internal. Still bearish, even on the even higher time frame. Where are you seeing being bullish here? I mean, we are retracing, yes, but this is our point where I'm expecting the retrace to stop. Until that point gets reached, we be bearish. At least that's what I see. We're gonna see who's right, but that's what I see. And here just consistent bearish order flow. I'm not looking to predict, right? I'm not looking to predict, I'm looking to react. If we break higher, that's when I'm gonna buy, not now. Now we're just respecting bearish structure in my eyes, right? We're still in bearish structure. We're still like lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. What are we doing next? Technically, according to trend, is a lower low, right? Isn't this like according to trend? Until we switch and we build a higher low and a higher high, then I'm reacting, bro. I'm not predicting. Like, that's why I saw when you're trading, because you're always trying to predict moves and shit, bro. Like, you're predicting bottoms and shit, which for me is a gamble. Like, you're trying to predict that price will react off this level instead of reacting to price reacting off this level. You get what I mean? But everyone trades its own way. It's just how I see the market. I react. Oh yeah, my bad, bro. How can? Oh my god, bro. How can I doubt my mentor, bro? How can I go against what my mentor is saying? If my mentor is saying I should be bullish, I should be bullish, bro. I should be bullish. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna finish this move. Gamble? It is a gamble still. Are you like predicting, like trying to, like, first of all, you cannot say this was not a gamble. You shorting against all this momentum weight. You shorted GU. Like, you cannot know that price is gonna stop here. You bought here somewhere and you had stop loss below the low. Yeah, he is, bro. Like, you cannot say, and bro, like, now I'm being serious. Okay, I'm gonna stop the jokes. You cannot say you buying here, like trying to predict this bottom with a fucking 10 pip stop loss and doing this has a 94% win rate. Like, let's be realistic. You cannot say you trying to predict. Look at this, we're switching bearish. How are you predicting? Predicting and reacting is a big fucking difference. It's a big fucking difference, reacting and predicting, bro. And you cannot say you predicting has a 94% win rate, like, realistically. Yeah, this is holding higher. Just don't hate on each other, please. Our Indian is the GOAT, bro. He's the GOAT of trading. Like, not only you're doing a hard thing by trying to predict when the market is gonna stop falling, you're like catching a falling knife. You're also having these crazy fucking R's and crazy stop losses, bro. Like, come on. Let's see GBP/AUD, because you said GBP/AUD is bullish. Let's see. What's gonna win is just going with the flow and going with what the market's doing gonna win, or is you trying to predict a bottom gonna win? Let's see. Because if you predict this, I'm gonna watch my tone from now on. I'm not gonna say shit. Oh, this could have even been a trade though, maybe, but I don't trade this pair. It's pretty clear this is gonna be our draw, and we had a 50-minute gap here that we respected. 1 minute, sadly, is too choppy. I'm not even gonna say shit to that. Like, bro, like, I don't know how is it possible. Like, for me, it's still not possible. Like, you're essentially like it's like the market's doing this, and you're trying to predict when is the market gonna stop and retrace and fucking reverse, and you shorting here with these crazy stop losses, and you also predicting like having like crazy fucking 15-hour. How is that a 94% win rate? I would understand, for example, trend, trading with a trend, or you, for example, having a higher time frame swing, right? higher time frame swing, waiting for price to retrace towards an equilibrium point, waiting for a sell side rate, and here you time your entry on the 1 minute to get a fucking 10 hour. That's what I would understand. That shit, with a strategy like this, maybe it's possible to have that crazy win rate, but trying to catch a falling knife, without even waiting for your zone to be validated, you're just buying, like trying to bottom take like crazy. That is just crazy for me. It's impossible to have that high of a win rate, in my eyes at least. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm just stupid, bro. Yeah, you trade like that. Maybe I'm just stupid, bro. I'm just saying. Maybe I'm just stupid, and yo, you're him. You should teach us though. If yeah, I will probably buy your mentorship soon though. I need help, bro. I gonna serious no, bro. Wait for 1 minute market structure shift. And bro, like, don't you take partials though? Like, you bought euro or whatever you bought, you were at 5R, right? Let's say you waited for 1 minute market structure shift, which in my opinion was like this, which was decent. Okay, was decent. Let's say you bought here with the stop loss below here. I don't know if you had 5R around this, but you had a way tighter stop loss. I don't know where you bought, but I know you had around 5R on where euro was. And I know you had like 10 on the highs. Let's say like this. Are you seriously not taking partials here out of 5R though? You're really holding towards TP or nothing and going against trend and going against all this fucking bearish move? Otherwise no one can do it. So you take partials. Man, I'm just trying to understand how my mentor is trading, bro. Oh yeah, look, the AUD trade worked. But yeah, this was absolutely dog shit. There was no way to trade this except this. And even like this, it was such a shit break that it wasn't really not possible to take this shit. Like this, something like this. But it was so fucking risky and so small. No, liquidity enjoyers is simple SMC, bro. 6 is one of our best traders, bro. He's 8 years in, bro. So that he should be your mentor, bro, not that guy, bro. Like, on an honest note, in a sense, what you did today, and you just made us all fucking say like, yo, you guys are just stupid. Yeah, I'm still wrong. You just said, okay, you guys are all stupid. You should believe a guy that has just his fucking Telegram shit on, bro. Like, if you can provide me with MetaTrader proof like I did and like I will always do with my fucking trades, if you can provide me something like this where I show my fund, you show your funded, you show your win rate, 70% win rate, 1.5R, equity curve, executions, if you can provide me with this from your mentor, then I'm gonna believe you. What you did provide is just like nonsense, bro. Like, it's just Telegram fucking messages. Like, this is not proof, bro. This is not proof, right? This is not proof. I can do this. I can come here, place this right here, like right here, place this shit, place the stop loss below here, then look at this, then fucking save this and say, okay, look guys, what trade I took. Look guys, what trade I took. Bruh, like, come on. Like, seriously, on a serious note. And this is easy to do. How do you even know he's trading, bro? I can do this shit, right? I can do this shit, put a draw in here like this, put a draw in here, take a screenshot. If it works, then I'm gonna post it. If it doesn't, then I'm not gonna post it. Like, come on, bro. This is not proof. Trading withdrawn is not proof. This is not proof. This is a text. This is a text, brody. Show me MetaTrader executions, not this. And or if you look message, you can see what can I see? This is not proof. How are you not understanding that this is not proof? How are you understanding that this is not proof? How are you actually believing a guy that only shows shit like this, bro? Like, how are you believing in 33 RR? So total trades, 17 trades in June, with 16 winning trades. Stop loss hit 194% win rate, 161 R, 161 R, bro. Like that shit, bro. You know Umar Ashraf, that guy is the best trader I ever fucking know. There's some really good traders that don't make this. They make this shit in 2 fucking years. In 2 years, bro. Show me MetaTrader proof and then I'm gonna believe you. What do you mean, please increase the stream sound? It's the max. It's my mic is in my fucking mouth. What do you mean? You should probably up your volume. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I'm sorry if I'm being angry a bit, but yeah. Bro. Average RR 10 with 94% win rate. It's hack, man. What is this? Just show me. Show me. How it's not that hard. Take a picture from the Telegram, click copy image and paste it here if that guy has some proof. Bro, but the thing is, you don't have proof that he's doing it. That's the thing. That's all I'm asking is for this shit. All I'm asking is for this shit. Where is it? For this shit. Right? Even this can be Photoshop, but all I'm asking is for this. Just click copy, paste it. It's not that hard. This everyone can do. This everyone can do. And oh yeah, guys, I caught this trade. Look at this shit. I caught this. Oh my god, bro. And then type. Oh my god. 12.14 RR. 12.43 RR. Bang. Bang. I'm such a good trader, bro. I actually caught this. And then say it's hard, not everyone can do it, bruh. Are you fucking serious right now? Like, seriously, are you legitimately serious? I understand that you're young, but you cannot just be that naive, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. How, like, bro, with that RR, that's a 15-20% win rate. You cannot have, like, I don't have never seen people have more than 50% win rate with that high R. Like, legitimately. I have never seen that shit. I don't know. I think I scrolled above. Like, 94% win rate, bro? Are you serious? And then he doesn't provide proof? And then you're supposed to believe him? Not even 3R, bro. Like, I'm like, bro, you cannot stop. You cannot fall for this shit, bro. That guy, if, I don't know, does it cost money to be in that fucking Telegram, or does it not cost money? And what is this? Like, you don't even show proof. Show me proof you caught this. Like, I can do this shit, bro. Like, you didn't have this order posted. You didn't have this order posted before. I can do this shit. I can definitely do this shit. Come here. Come here. Oh, yeah, guys. I caught this bottom tick. I caught this bottom tick right there. Then place this shit like right this. Oh, yeah, guys. I'm in this trade right now. I'm floating 5R, bro. I'm floating your mom's salary right now, gang. You cannot watch your tone when you talk to me. It's hard. Not everyone can do this. I work hard for this shit. You know what I mean? I sweat. I put in work. I work very, very hard for this shit, bro. Not everyone can do it. You get what I mean? Like, this is something only geniuses can do, not stupid people like you, bro. Like you, bitch ass boy, with your 1.5R, bruh. Like, come on, bruh. Like, I understand you're young, but you need to have your head on your shoulders. You cannot fall for this shit, man. What did you give me? What did you give me? You only gave me drawings. You don't understand that this is not proof. Like, if you want to stand on business, bro. Like, when I say I have a 70% win rate, you can come here and you can see my win rate without having a doubt. This is my win rate. I show my phase one. I show you. There's been on streams every single trade I take. You cannot doubt this shit. I show you exactly my statistics, but you don't provide me even fucking like backtesting data, bro, at most. Yeah, you're a multimillionaire. Not even hedge funds have that shit, bro. Not even the best fucking traders. Like let's look at Umar Ashraf's stats, bro, and that guy is one of the best fucking traders. That guy is one of the best fucking traders, bro. Let's look, cause I know he had a video where he broke down um his win rate. Look at this. Look at this shit, bro. Let's see. He has his statistics right there somewhere. Look at here. Okay. Okay. This is just his. Look at this shit. So this guy made 60R in. Oh my god, this guy is actually fucking crazy. This guy is actually fucking crazy though. Oh my god, bro, this guy is crazy. This is proof, gang. This is proof, not what you're showing. Oh my god, bro, this guy has an 83% win rate. What is his average R though? Profit factor is a bit different, but average R is this, or what is this? Yeah, I think this is he has an average of 2R. This guy, this is proof, gang. He shows you. Look at this shit. He shows you everything he went through. He made 40k win rate ratio 2, trading at 16R multiple 16R in 1 month. It's crazy. But this guy is legit, bro. And that guy, this guy made that much R in 1 month, and your mentor made fucking 160R in 1 month. Are you serious? Are you really telling me that shit? Are you really telling me that shit, gang? This is proof. If your mentor can show me this, then I'll believe it. I'm not saying you're a noob, I'm just saying, bro. Look above? What am I supposed to look at, bro? What am I supposed to look at? Just tell me, what am I supposed to look at? Tell me, what am I supposed to look at? Yeah, it's the owner of TradeZella, bro. He's a very good trader, bro. Very good trader. What am I supposed to look at? Drawings? Or what? Yeah, that guy is a very good trader. That guy is a legit guy because he provides proof. And he live trades and he does all this shit where you can actually believe him for doing the things he says he's gonna do. Let's place an alert here, but even this is an iffy setup. Like, I'm not trying to be like hate on shit, bro, but I'm trying to wake you up on doing this for the best of you. I'm saying this so you do not waste time trying to make this shit work when it's legitimately a fucking scam, bro. Like, you cannot say, when we are experienced traders, we have traders that are 8 years in that are telling you this shit is not possible, yet you're still here being like, yeah, this shit is possible. It's just hard to do, guys. You're just stupid to do this shit. I mean, you're probably this guy's friend. I don't know why. If you can, again, if you can show me proof, I'll believe you. Like, I will not just believe people talking in chats and shit. And I'm not saying this to be arrogant. Bro, it's not the sauce. I don't need the sauce. I just need proof. That's all I need. I just need proof. I don't need the sauce. I need you guys. If you're saying something, I need you guys to stand on business and be able to prove that you're doing that shit. When I say I have a 70% win rate with 1.5R, I'm showing you the legit proof that confirms that. If you guys are claiming, okay, I have a 93% win rate with 4R, then prove it. You get what I mean? And I'm not saying this because in this industry, everyone is so fucking easy to fake your results, bro. It's so easy to fake your results. It's so fucking easy. Everyone can place drawings on this and then say, okay, I won this and I have a 93% win rate and that's my bro. Like, everyone can do that shit. Unless you can prove it, I'm not gonna believe you. Pretty much mug everywhere here. Yeah, bro. You do. I mean, you legitimately mug everyone, but these guys, yeah. If you guys want me to believe, show me proof. I used to be a beginner and come on, I don't know, fucking chats and say, yeah, I'm a profitable trader, and I wasn't. Want to trade long on gold? Where did you long? This is not bad. I was actually also looking at this. Okay, tap me in on the scalp. I'm curious if this shit is gonna work. Do I want to, like, legitimately, now talking seriously, do I want to take this trade? Probably not, unless I have a 50-minute gap lower. Even with a 50-minute gap lower, I don't have draw. So this is just a demo, by the way. And then I can say, okay, this demo works. I can say I'm him, guys. I took this live trade. I made 3R on a 300k account, gangs. And then if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna delete it and pretend like it didn't happen. My target is way above. What do you mean? 3850. Oh, you bought in 3850. Yeah, that's a good buy. It's a good buy. It's a decent buy. Even on higher time frame, we're bullish, so it would be stupid. Look at this 4-hour inverse. Yeah, that's a good buy. Except the only thing I wouldn't buy is because we have this, but it should be still printing higher. But if it sweeps this high, it can easily react lower off here. Let's see DAX. Maybe we get something, but apparently DAX is really slow today compared to usual. But we might still get that shit, so that's what I'm waiting for. What is this? Oh, we have a Russian. This is Russian, right? CS trade. Are you in the stream? I don't know what pair is this. I cannot read it. I don't know what pair is this. You shared this trade, but I don't know what this is. Euro. Is this Euro USD? 1 hour? No, it's not Euro USD. It's a pair that's bearish though, isn't it? Ah, it's Euro USD. Yeah. Yeah, based on this price, yes, Euro USD. So you're shorting. Yeah, I would agree with you. I would agree with you. Finally, one guy that actually I see trading in a normal sense, bro. Like, we're bearish. We can also definitely just hold higher of this and build a higher low, but I would prefer shorts. That's why I placed this. Cause, bro, we are bearish. We came off a higher time frame POI. I don't know who CS trades this. You shared this trade. Oh, it's you. Okay, nice to meet you, bro. Yeah, this is finally one guy that I agree with in this idea. Because we're bearish. Why are we looking to trade against the trend? Why are we looking to predict a bottom? That's what I don't understand. How, I mean, people trade how they want to, but I still trade with logic, though. I prefer trading with logic rather than trying to go risky plays in high R. Oh, this is, you said who said this 4R with 90 something win rate. Where you guys are making bold ass claims, bro. You guys are making bold ass claims. With 4R, you can have a fucking, not even like a 20% win rate. Are you break even with 20% win rate? Yeah. Or are you? Wait. Hey Trazia, you're break even. You need a 20% win rate to be break even with a 4R, and you say you have a 90 win rate, 90% win rate. That shit is crazy though. Let's see. I'm curious if this pair is gonna be bearish or is gonna be bullish, as our Indian god said. It's just weird. I still see it bearish though. I see it just melting through this, but it does depend. It's a risky demo play, but still. If we inverse this shit, it is a potentially good trade, except the only thing iffy about it is that we have sell side rate here. I would have liked some equal lows here. If I would have had some equal lows, I would have probably took this short, but like this is too risky. We don't really have reason to be drawn lower now, but we have a good POI and a good sweep of liquidity. That's the only thing. We're just lacking reasoning to go lower, pretty much. POI is good, liquidity is good. We have a reason to reverse. We just don't have a reason to continue lower. In a sense, I don't know if that makes any fucking sense, but yeah. What did UK do? Nothing. It's still nothing. Yeah, it doesn't look like much today. Gold is pretty slow, yeah, not much. I used to be like this, bro. I used to be like, see 2 weeks of 80% win rate on my back testing, then be like telling everyone, yeah guys, I have an 80% win rate. In terms, it was just back testing and it was just a streaky period. I used to be like that and tell everyone around me, yeah guys, I have an 80% win rate. Meanwhile, my fucking live trading was 25% win rate and I was consistently losing accounts, bro. That shit doesn't help, man. I used to be like that. I used to flex my potential in a sense, or just see the best case scenario and then flex that shit on everyone's face. Like it's something, I don't know, crazy. But you disappeared, the Indian guy, the Rex guy. You had really good stats. That's how I remember you joined the group. We were doing backtesting battles. You randomly joined and you had like 200 trades with 90% win rate. But still, backtesting is backtesting. Give me his Telegram group. If you're still here, give me his Telegram group, bro. Make me join. But does it cost money? One question. If you're still here, does it cost money? Just out of curiosity, bro. Yeah, this played out nicely. My idea played out pretty much kind of exactly how I wanted to till this 4 hour gap, but still this too iffy of a trade. Too iffy of a trade. This could have been the idea. Either we could have bought here market, either could have we bought here and look to target that shit, or either we could have bought here and target this. But I wouldn't target second objectives. I don't look to stretch it, just take my first one. But the idea was right. That's what matters. Even though I didn't get an opportunity to really get involved. It's very slow. 99? You're serious? Like, are you serious or are you joking? Like, legit. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if that shit cost that much, gangs. But bro, instantly when I hear about a Telegram group, I'm all instantly skeptical. I don't believe that shit, bro. Telegram groups are so fucking easily manipulated, and there's no one doing proper. I haven't seen no one do proper stuff on Telegram. Yeah, this shit ain't working. No, I'm unprofitable. I should have longed that, as my Indian god said. Oh my god. How do I dare lose money on a demo trade? Nah, bro, please don't. Don't stop me out. It wouldn't be surprising though to really see that price on a fucking Telegram group. But if it's free, if you're still here, Indian, I'm sorry for I'm sorry. I'm not okay. I'm not gonna tell you so. If you're still here, Rex, give me the link to the Telegram. Give me link to Telegram. I wanna see that shit, gang. No, I just lost my family's fucking heritage. I'm done, bro. I'm quitting trading. How can I be this stupid to take a trade like this? Yeah, let me let the shit here so people can actually flame me. There's gonna be the Rex is gonna spawn here randomly and say, "Oh my god, you're so stupid," while it's a fucking demo, gang. Yeah, they're definitely gonna come and flame. It's hard to do, guys. It's hard to do. How Rex said, it's hard to do. That's why not everyone can do it. He was legitimately shitting on all our experience that we have in this group. Price might pop higher before the rollover. I mean, it might. It's just weird, PA. I would still like that I would still say or be inclined towards being bearish. But the thing is, yeah, if we look at order flow, it's still in the middle. It's in a very middle state. We don't know. Because we are forming that higher low. So if we technically inverse this shit, we are bullish. We are bullish. Because we have a bullish range. We formed a higher low. And this inversion is like a market structure shift to give confirmation that we're looking higher. And it's very likely for this to happen. Even though this is a lot of resistance, I highly doubt I don't know, it's weird. I wouldn't be really having a bias here. Yeah, but AU played pretty nicely. You actually played nicely. Kind of exactly how I said. Look at that 50-minute get respected. Really nice here. But very choppy break, sadly. Would have I taken this if I think about it with this goofy ass fucking inversion? Nah. Nah. It's very slow. It came in very, very slow. Only like choppy candles. One bullish candle, one down candle. One bullish, down candle. It's just very iffy. If I saw some movement, like some displacement like this one through here, then I maybe would have considered it at least. But like this, hell no. What did he say? Summon the Indian. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying to summon him, but he doesn't want to appear. I don't know where this guy went. He went to, I don't know, talk to his mentor. Amber's you. But what is that tentative mean, bro? Like I saw it yesterday as well. It's fucking weird. Yesterday was unemployment claims tentative, and then it just fucking disappeared. I don't know what that should mean though. I mean, GU, I don't know. It's still weird. I would still call this kind of in between state. If we inverse, then we're bullish. If we hold this 4 hour, then we're bearish. That's how I see it. It has potential on being bullish because we just swept this equal lows here and we tapped this 4 hour. So it does have potential to be bullish, especially since we took external. We might be reaching, I don't know, towards this or some shit. Oh, what the fuck? So that can just, what if they just like release the news randomly while we're in a trade in London session and we just get fucking exploded on? Or it's like just saying that, okay, we don't know when we're gonna release the news and we're gonna announce it. It's probably gonna come next week though, since it's a low probability week. I don't know if they can reschedule news. I have never really thought about this shit. I actually never thought about that shit, but it's interesting, definitely. Let's see if this shit inverse. Just out of curiosity. Oh my god, I got wrecked. Please, my mentor, where are you to save me from this goofy ass trades? And now he disappeared. Our god, our savior just disappeared. No. He just left us hanging, bro. I would have been down to pay $1K for him to teach me how he trades. Bro. It looks like a quite silent, I mean, not necessarily silent London, but I don't really think we're gonna be bearish on Euro unless we do like a big swing. Even with this 1 minute inverse, we don't really know for sure. What I would do for trading this would be like a big ass swing, and then we fill the lower high, and then I would enter. But even like that, again, we don't have really clean draw. Sell side is taken here. Sell side is taken here. The draw is not clear. Sell side is taken here, and the range is rebalanced. This is pre-bullish order flow. If you look at lower time frame strictly, it's pre-bullish. We don't technically have much reason to be reaching lower. That's why I don't like, it's missing a piece of my strategy. But yeah, because this is a pretty strong formation. If you look at this, this is pretty strong. First, it raided liquidity. Second, it absorbed it by consolidating for so long. Then it initiated out of the range and then mitigated it. This is very bullish. This is one of the models I have. Just range initiation, mitigation, continuation. But yeah, it's pretty, like lower time frame here, it looks bullish. Like here, it looks bearish. Here it looks bearish. Yeah, you're gonna see. AU looks the most bullish one, and we already knew that. Every time we wanna buy the strongest pair, not the weakest. That's why I was wanting to buy AU compared to Euro. We might react though. Ju inversed. I don't know. It's definitely weird. And see how we're reacting of this shit? That's why you always wait for it to get inversed. Yeah, still this is my best idea for today. Definitely best, but yo. I really want to see his mentor, and I really want to see if that guy has like a YouTube channel or some shit. Oh wait, he had some screenshots from the Telegram. Let me see if I can find that shit. Maybe we can reverse engineer. Team Rex? Bro, he's the mentor, bro. What? What if he's the mentor though? It's Team Rex. And his name is Rex. What if he's the mentor though? Bro, what if he's the mentor? The trades are exactly the same as him. And his charts look the same. Wait, what if he's the mentor? The major plot twist of the day. What if he's the fucking mentor? Wait, Team Rex, its subscribers. If his subscribers is paid, it's paid, isn't it? Shouldn't it be like members if it's not paid? Bro, 2K people just got fooled by this guy, bro. It's crazy. Take this trade. This is the proof, supposedly, and if the trade wouldn't have worked, he would have just deleted them. Take this trade, guys. 13 ratio trade done. Like, bro, ain't no way. Like, serious mentor this is all he's gonna say. He's gonna say TP, stop loss, RR. What is the plan for the trade? What is the reason of the trade? The trade should take this trade. 13 ratio done, and that's bruh, brody. This is his proof. Can we reverse engineer and find his Telegram group? Team Rex 01. But I need. Oh fuck! I cannot join him. Let me see this shit. I wanna reverse engineer and find his Telegram, cause he just disappeared and doesn't wanna give us his group right now. But it's crazy. Imagine having 2K people when you're not a fucking trader, and you ask like $20 for people to be present here. Imagine how much money you're making just by scamming people and making them think you're actually profitable and you actually have results. It's crazy, bro. It's fucking crazy. How do I do the QR code shit? Oh, right now I saw. Share QR code, scan, my bad. Bro, what? Why this shit not work? Oh, okay, now it works. Let's see. I'm curious, bro, if we can reverse engineer and find this guy's group. Bruh. What language is this? Gol mi capisare error data I. Conce lecture me pohoke. What language is this, bro? It sounds like some, I don't even know. An error occurred? The fuck do you mean an error occurred? Doesn't let me log in Telegram for some fucking reason. Let me check again. It doesn't fucking let me log in. Jump to present. No, Telegram? Yeah, not me. Fucking Indians. Fucking Indians. Team. If I search, am I gonna find, or do I exclusively need the link? Cause I'm really curious about this shit, bro. Fucking Indians. Yeah. I'm not gonna be racist. I'm just gonna obtain from racist from racist demeanors. Where the fuck is that shit, bro? I'm trying to find, like, I'm really trying to find this guy's Telegram. But I don't think I can. Fuck, I don't find it. He needs to send me the link. Bruh. It's crazy, bro, how some people be doing stuff, bro. I think the plot twist, the major plot twist is that it's his channel. And he's unprofitable. He showed us trades he was taking that are crazy fucking bad, and he's just deluding people on his. Let's try and investigate. Yeah, I think the major plot twist is that it's his channel. We're gonna see. I want his link. Please give me. Hello, sir. I'm John from Microsoft. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna take a small break. I'm just gonna. Oh, AU is very nicely failing here. Looks like it's gonna start being bearish of that 4-hour FVG. Actually, wait, this can be a good trade unless again we just have social liquidity getting taken. The fact that this PI is intact is one step of having a solid drop, but yeah, just max our demo. It looks good, like it's gonna fail, especially if this move gets supported lower and we break below this low. This looks good as a potential reaction lower. Oh yeah, this is pretty good, but I don't know if how long term is gonna hold. We don't have reasoning to be drawn lower again. POIs are mitigated. First, POIs are mitigated. The 15-minute POI is mitigated. Sell side is taken. Sell side is taken. Sell side is taken. We just don't have reasoning to be drawn lower, unless to retrace, and that's pretty much it. And even to retrace max at this one right there. That's the thing. We need we need reasoning to be drawn lower as well. Like we cannot just be. Geo inside daily order block. Let's see. With 4-hour FVG. Oh yeah, daily. Yeah, this is a very good area. Very good area. You're right. The only thing I'm iffy about is this, that we took sell side. But the thing is, we do this a lot of times, right? When we're, let's see, we're trending and we take sell side, we just use that sell side to retrace towards that optimal PY. Then we continue lower and shit. But I don't know yet. We might be drawn towards this though as well. We don't really know. But that even that daily order block got confirmed by a 4-hour gap lower. So yeah, we're definitely inclined on being bearish. The only really thing is that the thing is that we took sell side, but as I said before, sell side can be used to just retrace. I've seen this happen a lot of times. As long as we hold this is kind of our confluence or our market structure shift lower, in a sense. As long as we hold this, we should be fine. I would say we can also come in these order blocks here. They look very strong. They look a bit weird, but they look strong overall. If it gets confirmed, yeah, this would be better because we do have equal lows here, so I would be down to trade lower if we inverse this 50-minute. Yeah, this is a bit better, and we also have this small order block. I don't really see these holding necessarily. I think we manipulate them most of the time, which we did. So if we actually form an inverse, it might be decent, but even if you form the inverse, we have this pretty good order block at the bottom of the leg, so I don't really trust being bearish too much. Lower time frame meaning. Colorful, it's a custom cursor, bro. It would be nice because it changes color, which is so fucking cool. It keeps switching between color, but somehow OBS doesn't really Doesn't really see it for some reason. It changes color. It changes purple, blue, blue again. Yeah, it keeps changing color, which is very fucking cool. But it doesn't save it, sadly. It doesn't. OBS doesn't register it. That's what it's annoying. But what can you do? Yeah, I'm gonna go take a small break, and we're gonna wait. I don't know if this what am I saying? I don't know if this setup is necessarily gonna happen, but yeah, we might be reaching back into the buy side because the buy side is pretty strong. But I'm not taking my chances. My bad. Yeah, I'm not a fan either of lower time frame. I'm not a fan either. We probably will reach into these order blocks and then initiate lower, I would say. But um yeah, we're a bit aggressive. And depends a lot how we behave here. If we close strong, we're probably gonna be switching trend to bullish and come back to sweep this. And we're gonna come for this POI actually. Ooh, I didn't see this order block. This is a really good order block here at the top. Oh my god, this is so fucking good, this order block. Because it mitigated FVG, rated liquidity, rated this in a sense. Break lower, wick, FVG, inducement. Yeah, this is a very good order block here. I'm gonna go take a small break. 23rd. I'm back. I don't know if anyone's on the stream anymore. Is there any trade? Oh, okay. We reacted pre-bearish. This is decent. If we support this move lower, it's decent actually. Bruh. If we support lower here, I'm taking this towards these lows. It looks like it's gonna get inverse though, I don't know. Let's see. I don't know if we're gonna get it. But we had nice mitigation here, nice break. We need some volatility. I don't know, we're pretty slow today. Pretty slow. Should we be scared of this? Maybe. I don't know. I don't feel like there's gonna be any opportunity to oh, UG is inversing, but it's a shit inversion. If even with this inverse, this is too strong. It'll be bullish. Sorry, the Indian guy is banking right now, gang. We're gonna see. I don't know if this holds lower, but I would want to see some shit. I don't know if I want to necessarily trade into this though. It's probably gonna be fine depending on how much we get momentum, right? I would want to see this shit cleared. See that shit cleared. I see a retest and then I'm taking that shit lower, and this is my move. That's my move, gangs. Let's see. We might have something. How much is this? 40 pips? 4 pips or 40 pips? See if we support lower. Yeah, we're stalling. We're not doing much in London today. It looks like it's breaking, but not long term. Kinda bored again, bro. No real trades, bro. It's taking time. I don't know why. Usually DAX is a bit stronger. Oh. Way. This was actually pretty decent. Look at, I didn't see this draw, but it was what we drew towards. The thing is, we did have this, which we did initially react of. Maybe here, yeah, just too small. Too small. But I do want to see some movement. We're pretty slow today, even on DAX, which is weird. And DAX is going lower while UK is going higher, which again, pretty weird. Let's see something. AD. What's this guy saying? I don't remember. Oh my god, this guy is him, bro. Oh my god, this guy is bullish here. He's him. He said he's gonna go bullish. It's actually going bullish. Oh my god. This guy is him, brody. I mean, I really need to see some movement here. This is retractive for now. unless we break lower. We do have this order block, yeah, and we do have this small FVG. I wouldn't be so scared about this draw. It's still solid, but I would want to see it get cleared first, meaning we're getting a like reaction from them to retest, then go to trade lower. This is very solid draw. Where is the Indian guy, Brody? Our Indian guy is gone. No, India. Let's see. But again, I do really need to see some movement to be taking this. Especially here, I need to see some movement. Like, us being slow, this part is fine, but I want to see this the most important area to see movement in. I still don't really see us holding long term here, but I do want to see it get cleared, reacted off. In terms of hard time frame, we did take that high, but it's a very, very shallow sweep. That's the only thing that makes me iffy about this trading, being extra careful, because it's such a shallow sweep. We barely fucking took that high. But yeah, we should be drawing here. It's pretty clear. It's our hard time frame draw. It's a 4-hour unmitigated PY and equal lows. This is perfect as a draw on liquidity for me and how I trade. It's unmitigated PYs and I'm taking liquidity. Even on 50 minutes, yeah, this draw is very, very good. We just need to be patient and wait for price to confirm that we're heading in that direction. Even now, what we might do is come for this first before actually coming back lower and retracing towards this, because it is a very shallow sweep. It is a very shallow sweep indeed. And I would be like, if we get strong confluence higher, if we get like a very nice 50-minute gap here, I would say I can take these buys here as well. But I need to see some intent on both sides. Right now we're not getting intent, like strong intent in either side. That's why not really hurrying, not really clear here what we're doing, but yeah. Why are we so slow, gangs? Hi, bro. What do you think about NFP? I don't know. It's weird. It's a bro. It's it's a tentative, which is weird. Meaning we don't know when the news is gonna be released, so it might just not have it today. It's a tentative. X explains something, but I don't have the knowledge he has in terms of news. He said tentative is usually, that's what we had yesterday. Yesterday we had unemployment claims tentative. When we started London, we checked this, we saw unemployment claims, and when New York came, we were checking the same page again, and unemployment claims disappeared. They haven't released the news. Maybe they might be, I don't know if they can reschedule news though. Next week is gonna be pretty good for me. Oh yeah, look, they moved the, what the fuck? Next week I checked it and it was no news. Look, they fucking moved things. Now there's news. Okay, there's still a very good week next week. These are news I like trading around. Definitely. I like trading like this. These are the weeks where I do the best, and I think most traders do the best in weeks like this. Except this Friday is a bit. I mean, oh, it's CAD. My bad. It's CAD. It's not USD. This is also pretty nice news. Inflation expectations, and then next week is gonna be CPI. Yeah, we're staying out of this Monday. We're staying out of this Monday. Very, very likely staying out of this. Monday decent. I like these days as well. But then it's gonna be CPI. Then it's gonna be PPI. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fire. CPI usually is probably the worst week out of them all for me. It's probably the worst week out of them all. Let's see. Still gonna scout, but it doesn't look like anything yet. Even this move looks a bit weird. It doesn't look strong. G was a bit stronger though. It just looks weird. See how what UK did lower time frames. Oh yeah, I just held that London open gap, and it's interesting. Did we take this high? We did. Interesting, to say the very least. Gold is still stalling. Like, this is why I don't trade gold in London, and I don't trade gold again anyways. But what is this bullshit, man? 8 pips. This is the whole London. What London did in 1 hour. Bruh. Bro. Next week is probably gonna be good. It looks like the market is starting to build in 10 and it's starting to finish the cycle of like shitty fucking price action. Like these days it's actually like from here, from like Thursday it started being decent. I don't know how today's gonna be, but it still looks a bit more decent than what the fuck this goofy ass range was, bro. What was this PA, man? The fuck was this? Goofy ass price action for 1 fucking week. It's like a seek and destroy weekly profile. God damn, this was absolutely fucking garbage. And now it looks like we're about to do something. And we look like we're choosing a trend, which is good. We're doing something where I can actually trade. Even with you. Yeah, it looks like finally we're doing something though. Yeah. DAX is not doing much yet. Still slow. It's weird though for DAX to be this slow. I mean, I'm probably just gonna call it a day off. It's very unlikely we're gonna get something now. We need at least 30 more minutes, and that's when session's closing. So, what is this? A guy just appeared on my screen that is trading gold. Ah, it's Romanian. Okay. But I don't know why it doesn't work. I just want to see what trades he took. But why? I think did he stop it? Bruh, did he stop the stream? Bro, please don't. I want to watch some live trading, but I don't want to watch Danny's. I want to watch something else. What is this? This guy's smoking like me. Juma time? The fuck is Juma? Juma. The fuck is Juma, man? What? What is Juma? What is that shit? These guys be having crazy fucking thumbnails though. Did I click the same fucking stream 3 times now? Forex crypto. Bitcoin buy on the 5 minute. What is this R though? Pretty crazy, isn't it? I mean, bro. It doesn't look as a bad buy, to be honest. It actually doesn't look like it, but yeah, it actually doesn't look bad at all. This buy. Should I trade Bitcoin, gang? But it's very unpredictable in terms of volatility. You don't really know when it's gonna be volatile or not. But it doesn't look bad at all. This buy. Nice range. Nice area, inversion, low getting rated. This buy is actually decent. This buy is actually decent. Gold. Why is everyone trading gold, bro?
ऐसा मैं आपको बता दी, इस ऑर्डर ब्लॉक के नीचे आप
You like
लगाएं,
this, Naija?
इसके नीचे या इसके नीचे लगा के यहाँ से आप लगाएं, एक अपसाइड में ट्राई करें, यहीं से ही बाय 1 मिनट पे सेटअप्स आते रहते हैं आपके। प्रॉपर रीटेस्ट करें ना यहाँ कहीं पे या यहाँ कहीं पे, सो
Bruh. Well, I feel like none of these live traders are trustworthy though. Or BTC USD live trading. This was definitely news. Why is everyone trading gold? My trading strategy. Oh, let's watch a girl trader. I'm scared. Nifty? Why is it Indian again, man? Why only Indians? This retail strategy is crazy. She was buying on liquidity rate. It's crazy still. This guy is heavy. Why is everyone trading gold, bro? People be fucking obsessed with gold more than Nasdaq, bro. Trading with small time frames is very risky and not suitable for most people. I often make wrong judgments. Is he live though? Can we see if he's live or not? Like if he's like live trading. He's shorting? Wait, what? I mean, it's not such a bad short though. Bro, what is this? Bro, why only Indians, man?
Let's start the day, shall we?
This guy finally, a guy that seems normal, bro.
I never trade the 30-minute chart, but this is the 30-minute chart. Resting around this area. Yes.
Let's see, take a trade.
Oh yeah, it is. Cashcard is also an adventure. You spent 1.3k in evals.
This is not. This is a kind of nice colors though for his chart, but I don't think he's trading this session. Bro, only Indians, bro. End my pain. Indians with fucking trendline channels on Nifty. Why are Indians trading Nifty though? Really? Why are Indians trading Nifty? Bruh. He's in here. Bruh. What is this? Bro, why can I not see one? Bro, why? I don't know what this shit is, man. Oh, look. What do we found here? The yesterday, which was pretty crazy, was 2 dubs, 2 technical dubs. Oh, another one. Sure. Everybody trades fucking gold. Why, bro? London session? How was that guy called that small? Oh my god, I forgot how that guy was called, but let me see if I cannot find it in my search. There was a guy that punched his mic. Fuck, I don't remember. This guy is good though. I like Kermain. Kermain trades. He's all look untrustworthy. I don't know, bro. Why are there so many Indians? The Indian trading edits got aura. How was that guy called that punched his mic, bro? That guy that was rage baiting. He was young, Asian, and a dog shit trader. You told me about him, Six, if you're still here. 11-hour stream is crazy. I don't trust this guy either. Oh my god, that sounds so fucking good. Let's look.
You guys can see, like, I've had this car for like a week already. I haven't really posted it. I've just been kind of keeping it to myself. So you guys are kind of the only people that are seeing it right now because I don't really want to drive the Bugatti. You guys are gonna tell me. But it has no grip. Catches no grip. And trader make $5,000 to $10,000 monthly to make.
Bro, this car sounds good, but what is this though? He's in a trade. This guy takes a long time to finish his trades. Why is he not screen recording? Why is he just filming with his phone, the fucking screen? Now he's out. Bruh, what is the stream? He didn't even stream. He was already in the fucking trade while he started streaming. It's crazy still. What is the point? This guy is good though. This guy is good though, bro. Let's see how he trades live. I never really looked at his lives, but this guy trades good. It's a very good trader.
We mentioned this in Discord. Above, what is that? We'll just say 23. The next morning session, I just want to have a tape reading stream, no button pressing, because whenever up to or down to the low, I'm getting midpoint, and I want to see, do we rallies, takes out a short-term high, that can be time.
Why didn't he trade though? This guy is good, bro. This guy trades very well, but I don't know why didn't he trade though.
Or 4 side and trade 1 tick, all those buy stop. Price range.
Bro, why is he not trading, bro? Can I not find the one fucking stream where he traded? This guy's a good trader. I saw his shorts.
Towards the end of the video, and we're trading into the upper quadrant of that 15-minute fair value gap drawdown, which is hit all-time highs today. Okay, stop that break even. Just using the fibs. Urgent fair value gap here, but
Yeah, I'm probably gonna end the stream here. Doesn't look like Dax is just stalling. It's not doing much, so just gonna take London off. Just relax and come back for New York. Maybe we're gonna have something in New York today since NFP is a fucking tentative. Yeah, I'm tired a bit. I'm gonna go eat, probably take a nap. I'm gonna be back, so I'm gonna see you in New York. Not much today though, not much. Didn't have a lot of opportunities, just kind of stalling.